Lord, I pray that this doesn't mess up my skin. Hello? Why is it so stringy? It's so stringy. Yeah, I think we're gonna pass. The Edu of Huda Beauty. Whoa, gorgeous. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. So today, a full face of Temu products. I was like, I've done a full face in She Glam and I was shocked on how good they were, except for the eyeshadow. I thought, why not try? Let's dive into it. So as you can see, I've got a dry face, not done any skincare, so even the skincare is included. It's called hyaluronic acid here. It's called Odio. Ooh, I don't think it smells that great. Lord, I pray that this doesn't mess up my skin. I said, oh, I was supposed to spray first. Oh, I'm gonna use my own cream. I thought I ordered a cream. I got a lip oil. It does smell strawberry, so I'm putting this as a gloss. Ooh. Apparently it's supposed to change according to your pH as well. Yeah, okay. For brows, I've got some brow pen. I think that's my color. I tried to get the darkest brown. Okay, that's enough. Eyebrows are done. Apparently this looks like it's a dupe from Makeup Forever. I never knew because I don't know if we got Makeup Forever in UK. It's like just checking the colors out. So it's got like a little color palette here. So I think these are like, some of them are blushes and maybe that's a color corrector. This just to sculpt my brow. Of these products, guys, are like dupes. They basically copy and paste. Okay, so this concealer is coming out like a pinkish shade. It's not coming out true to color like how it looks. However, it is pigmented. I was actually like excited because I thought maybe I could use this as my foundation. It's got an orangey bit, like a peachy bit here, and we're gonna use that as a color corrector. Next, most of these products are like, you know, for fairer tones, so I see and I thought like they're not gonna come to the exact shade, so I've called La Cava chocolate drop, which is looking so rich, which I can use for my contour. Vanilla and it's caramel. Oh, that smells nice. So this is the chocolate drop and that's dark, so I was thinking to just go with this because it's looking more of my I tried so much mixing this and I just could not get the right shade, so I'm just gonna go in with my beautiful foundation from UJV Beauty. 10% off. Yeah, I would have looked like Casper the Ghost. So look how rich this is. I love that. Creamy. That blends like a dream too. Oh yes, definitely is warm, but obviously it's a bronzing shade because it's warm. It's giving me warmth. Hello. Yeah, so oh, okay. Okay, so it seems like something's coming out, but it's not coming out where it's supposed to come out. It's so stringy. This smells like baby powder. I don't know why that grossed me out. I wanted to use the caramel from La Cava actually. Okay. It's like the way it applies, so I'm impressed. Gosh, I want to see how it blends with a beauty blender. I'm hoping if this turns out good, oh my gosh, game change. Look at how gorgeous this is blended. Oh my goodness. You guys, did I even tell you the price of this? It was £2.47. I am impressed. So I want to try the vanilla as just a bit of a highlight. I don't want it to be too much. I think it's for multi-use. It is something. Whoa. So for blusher, I did use this. I don't know if it was recording. I did use this, but I'm gonna add a little bit more. Ooh, and it blends so good. That blends like a dream. Dupe. But this one's called Veroni. It's powder, and it's giving. I'm trying to like powder it down, but it's just like, I mean, puff it down. It's just so bright. It's on Temu too, so I can just go back just to save it. This would definitely work if you're fairer tone. Move on to the eyes. Okay, just as an eye primer, I'm probably gonna dip into this one here. Oh my gosh, I could have used this as also like concealer. Oh yeah, this could have been my concealer too. Definitely blends like a dream. So for eyeshadow, copy and paste. Bombastic side eye. Who does this remind you of? Sorry, this is obviously a dupe of Huda Beauty. If these eyeshadows are pigmented, the Legacy shade is a transition shade. Let's see. Oh, that's good. This is pigmented and I'm shocked. So I'm going in with Confident, which is a darker brown. Just gonna blend that brown with the same Legacy shade. It's like a really chocolatey brown. I like that actually. Not sure. This is so pretty as well. Decided to go in with Do It, which is like a bronze. A bronze shade, and what the heck? Oh my gosh. You guys, the way these shadows are pigmented, I'm like, what? Look how gorgeous that is. For eyeliner, I've got an eyeliner called Miss Young. It's a liquid eyeliner. It is really black. So I went ahead and put some lashes on. These are from Temu as well. I think it's like a cherry. It reminds me of Beauty Crops, the cherry spray. I'm scared. Okay. Okay, something is coming. Remember this that I put on? It's gone. My lips are back to being dry, so it's not very moisturizing. Makeup is separating a lot, so that's just something to know. Go in with this one right here. So I'm using this as a highlighter and it's pretty. Do you know, I was scared, but I had high expectations because Shein products are actually so good. Fixing my face, I'll be using the Hakes. Oh, that smells really good. The Haze Foggy Surface Fixer Makeup Mist. It's giving like dewiness. It's giving me glassy skin. Tell me what that reminds you of. Them yesterday and they're quite pretty. So these are glosses and Fenty beauty dupe. So I'm gonna get a black pencil, just give it a bit of dimension. Listen, I tried to save her. Oh, this is the final look, guys. I must say, this is such a beautiful, not sticky at all. I feel like it's a fixing glowy spray. Maybe I should have shaken it. I just used it like that. Final thoughts. So I want to talk about the ones that I thought were like wow, and the ones I was like eh. So far my makeup's looking good. It is a bit separating on the smile line. So the number one thing that I was very impressed with are these little face and body pots, like makeup pots. I'm definitely gonna be dabbing into 3 of them actually. The bronzer is gonna be my go-to because it's stunning, and that's going in my makeup kit. Thank you. This is not that great. The blusher, however, is good, but this is not that great. I did use this around my mouth, so maybe that's what's causing a lot of separation. This at 3, I wasn't so impressed with this one. It's more choky, it's not very good. The eyeliner, very good. I give it a 8.5. It dries out matte, and I always love eyeliners that dry out matte. The eyeshadow, absolutely impressed. This, I give it a 9.8. I'm not giving it a 10 because I love Huda Beauty. This scared me because I was like, why is it so slimy? It was so slimy. I don't even know if I'm gonna use it. Like, give this a 1, like literally. I definitely want to use this separately on its own. It's good, smells good. I'm just praying that I don't break out, Lord Jesus, please. Oh. And it's supposed to be a lip oil, it's not a lip oil at all. So I give this in 1. And for the lip glosses, just wanted to pause and just say these lip oils smell really bad, guys. I would not recommend them at all. I enjoyed doing this. It was scary. Please, guys, do pray for my skin. But thank you guys for watching. If you want to try Temu products, do try them with caution. But I hope you enjoyed this video just as I did making it. I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.